Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy holiday. So for this video, I wanted to quickly show you that I built a white PC recently. So I wanted to show you about the components I bought, and then I will quickly show you what the final PC look like. So from this picture that you can see that I bought 3 items. So the first one is the white AIO cooler from Lianli. It's about $100. I also bought a white memory. So it's from CORSAIR DOMINATOR for about $150. The third one I bought was the white cable sleeve. I got it from Amazon for about $30. So for the rest of the item, I already have those in my old PC. So that include a white motherboard from ASUS. It's Strix model number. You can see that it's B550. So another item is the CPU. It's from the AMD 5900X. The other one I already have is the white case from Lianli, Snow White. And the last piece is the GPU. So I bought it from Micro Center earlier this year. It's from Gigabyte Fusion 3060 Ti. It's also white. So I think to make it a complete list. So then I spent about a few hours to disassemble my old PC and then assemble the new one in. So I would say the experience is not kind of good. So I think everything fits well. So I present you the final build. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.